today I wanted to show you guys this little DIY kind of a chunky micro notebook that I created. And I really do like these micro notebooks. I have this one that you guys would have recently seen that I use for my doodling. And then I also have this one that I'm going to feature in another video, which is my little DIY kind of TN version of a micro. And so today I wanted to go ahead and come on here and show you this. And really these videos are for you folks that don't really know what to do with your micros. They're so cute, and I really think that they're quite functional if you know how to use them. So this idea that I had was I really wanted something daily that I could use for an affirmation. You know, and if you don't know what affirmations are, they're just something that you say to yourself or something that you read that kind of sets the tone for the day. And in my other planners, like I have my mini happy planner, I originally was going to put it in here, but I wanted something kind of separate that I didn't really have to sort through or find, and it was just, that was its sole purpose. So I went ahead and created this. And what this is it's a DIY. It's a little bit bigger than a regular micro, right? So a regular micro size is about that. So it's a little bit wider, and I did that on purpose. So this is just a laminated cardstock that I had, and on the back is double-sided with another cardstock that I had. The back is just this polka dot cardstock with the same floral, and I just measured it out because what I wanted to do is I wanted to put these little cards in here. And what these little cards are affirmations that I found off of the web. I basically went to Pinterest and just started pulling images off. So there is everything in here. There is self, there is mental, there is body, there is everything in here. And basically my idea is that every day before I sit down and start my planning, which I do, I wake up and I sit down and plan for the day, I will pull out one of these little cards. And so say for example, I just flip through here. It's no order. I just flip through and find one that is really speaking to me. And basically, I just pull it out. And here I have this little laminated pocket, and I have my little dashboard, how to make a shaker dashboard. It's the same kind of thought behind how to make a laminated pocket, but this one I opened on the top and then also on the side, so that what I can do is I can slip this in here. Now, I left space, and this is why this is a little bit of a wider micro. I wanted the whole card. I didn't want to have to punch, so I left space on these laminated cards. So for these front-facing ones, I can just put it right there, leave it on my desk, and it's kind of always there. So I can just put it up on my desk, or I can leave it, and this is my affirmation for the day. Now this pocket is for on the other side. I double printed, right? I did back and front, so that I can just slide this in here, and it has a place to stay and sit for the day. So this, I think, is a really good idea. I also have the classic discs on here, but I could have done the mini discs. I just kind of wanted a chunkier little micro than what I regularly have, you know, with my my doodle micro. So this is completely made on my own. If you have rings, you can really create any size planner or book that you want to have. And that's why I really love these disc bound. If you have the hole puncher, obviously that's easier, but you could just hole punch it out with a regular hole puncher. And it just, the opportunities and the creativity that you can have with these disc bounds are pretty much endless. So this is just another little idea of what you could do. You could do the same exact thing with following the regular dimensions and just maybe make the cards a little bit smaller. And like I said, I just went on Pinterest and I put positive affirmations, and all these pictures popped up. I just dragged and dropped and printed back to front so that I have more than enough for the month. I made sure I had at least 30, but I actually have more. So it's almost 2 months worth. Now, Do I think that by the time I'm done with these, I'm never going to use them again? No, I really feel like I pulled ones that really do speak to me. So if in 2 months I'm gone through all the cards, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go back and use them again, you know, because these are all such great little sayings and positive thoughts that I could repeatedly use. So I hope that this gives you guys just yet another little idea of how you could use your micro notes, and that's all I have for you today. In my next video, I will be showing my little DIY TN, and I hope you guys stay tuned for that. All right, everybody, I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.